Hello, my name is Natalia. I have been teaching English for about 20 years and in the UNITY school for more than 15 years now. I can say that I have a very long-term experience, and this experience in this sphere helps me to motivate my students to get profound knowledge in all aspects of English learning process. I can say that I'm very happy to work with students of different age groups, starting with kids up to the adult group audiences. Very friendly, motivative, and very supportive atmosphere is what me and my students appreciate highly in my classes. I'm so proud of my students who have passed great exams. If you desire to pass the Unified State Examination, I would be glad to help you in any situations to achieve great scores and get positive results. Welcome to our school, and we are waiting for all those who want and desire to master their English and to get good results. Добро пожаловать в школу UNITY. Мы ждем всех, кто желает получить прекрасные знания, и мы будем радоваться вместе с вами вашим результатам.